Alright, I thought maybe you might want to see what I have in my new fridge and how I've organized it. I posted on the information on my blog, and I happened to think I hadn't done a video, so here's the freezer. It has a basket for anything that I take out of the big freezer. I call it big, but it's like a apartment size. Take things out, put it in the little basket, and that's what I'll be having for the week. This is some chicken meatballs that we got at the food bank this month. And here I've got some peppers of different colors that I plan on using in a recipe this week. Down here is two little, they used to be pan covers, but the pans have long gone. I'm using them for my flash freezing trays, and these are fruit cones. I would love to have some little smaller ones, but those are what I use, so that's what I have. On the door, ice cubes. The last part of a loaf of bread if I need to make some more. And these are the paper from butter. I use those to coat pans that say coat well with oil or grease. I use them for my baking. Down here, okay, on the first shelf, anything that I'm going to cook for today goes in there to defrost the night before. So whenever I take something out of that to cook it this evening, I'll actually go to the freezer part and take something out and put it in there for the next day. And then my favorite snack, Jello. I love my Jello. On Sunday I make enough for one each day. I have my Kool-Aid. Back there is some sour cream that I'm going to use in a recipe. Put this on here, this shelf liner, which is kind of stuck. I wonder why that's stuck. Anyway, that's to keep me from seeing what's in the baskets underneath. Visual clutter bugs me. So here I have breakfast. Anything that I would have for breakfast. Bacon, eggs, sausage, biscuits. Anything like that goes in there. Lunch. I have a thing of cheese that is kind of an overflow. But I got bologna and pimento cheese. But I would have any kind of lunch meat. Anything or leftovers that I'd eat for lunch. Down here, my cheese. I have all kinds of cheeses. And it's full. I might have to do something with some of them. This one is butter. Okay. Well, come on now. Okay. It says process, but that would be anything that needs to be cut up or flash frozen, portioned, that kind of thing. Right now it's got the butter in, which I plan on making ghee. And of course I've got the produce drawer that I will be organizing as soon as I get some baskets that fit that. And on the door, I've got the usual things: bread and butter, pickles, ketchup, mayo, yeast, some pimentos. I try to get the small jar, but when I ordered last time, that was all they had. Down there, I've got my cocoa butter, some milk in a carton that I get from commodities. That's the cocoa butter. I've got other things, normal stuff from the refrigerator. So, there you have it. That's my tiny fridge. And I'm 5 foot tall, even, and I'm taller than my fridge. Probably I'm 5 or 6 inches taller than my fridge. So it's tiny. That's it for today.